Once upon a time, in a land far, far away, there was a magical kingdom called Colorland. Colorland was unlike any other place, filled with the brightest, most vibrant colors you could ever imagine. At the heart of Colorland stood the crystal castle home to the rainbow unicorn named Luna. Luna was a beautiful unicorn with a shimmering mane that glowed with all the colors of the rainbow. Luna had a special power. She could create rainbows with a swish of her magical tail. Whenever the skies grew dark or the people felt sad, Luna would gallop across the kingdom, leaving a trail of colorful rainbows, bringing joy and happiness to everyone. One day, an evil sorcerer named Gloom cast a spell over Colorland, stealing all the colors and leaving the land dull and gray. The people of Colorland were heartbroken and called out to Luna for help. Luna knew she had to save her beloved kingdom. She galloped to the highest hill, her mane shimmering despite the gloom. With a powerful swish of her tail, Luna created the brightest rainbow anyone had ever seen. The rainbow's magic was so strong that it broke Gloom's spell, restoring all the colors to Colorland. Flowers bloomed, streams sparkled, and the people cheered as the colors returned. The rainbow's magic also transformed Gloom, turning him into a friendly creature who could no longer harm the kingdom. He apologized for his misdeeds and promised to help Luna keep Colorland colorful and happy. From that day on, Luna and Gloom worked together to ensure Colorland remained a place of beauty and joy. Whenever a cloud appeared, Luna's rainbow would chase it away, and the people lived happily ever after. And so, the rainbow unicorn Luna became the greatest hero of Colorland, her magic bringing colors and happiness to everyone. The end.